Are you tired of the daily grind? Say goodbye 9 to 5 routine because I'm about to unleash business ideas in this video that will make you forget the usual grind, and these ideas about to shake things up whether you are working from home or hitting the local scene. However, let's dive in.
Hey everyone, this is Rifat and welcome back.
Number 1. Local and hyperlocal delivery and concierge services. Remember the days of waiting 2 weeks for that Amazon package? Yeah, those are gone. Online shopping is booming and everyone needs their goodies delivered first. And that's where you come in. As online shopping surges, there is an increasing need for local delivery services. Start a local or hyperlocal delivery service focused on food, groceries, even packages from nearby stores, businesses, or restaurants. Be the ninja who gets those goodies to their doorsteps as soon as possible. Analyze local demands, collaborate with nearby businesses, and focus on smooth logistics for success. Think hyperlocal errands, pet care, laundry, and become the ultimate neighborhood convenience kingpin. Well, now let's talk about the pros and cons of this point. Pros: high demand, scalable, relatively low upfront investment. Cons: competitive market, requires efficient logistics and a strong customer service. Bonus: actionable steps. Research local delivery needs, partner with local businesses, develop a user-friendly app or website. Number 2. Bioprinting, the future of personalized skincare. If you have a medical background, then develop personalized skincare serums or cosmetic products based on individual skin analysis through bioprinting technology. This could offer custom solutions for allergies, sensitivities, and specific skin concerns. Remember, skincare is not just about products. It's a personalized lifestyle solution for healthier, radiant skin. Now let's talk about these points' pros and cons. Pros: highly innovative, addresses growing demand for personalized products, potentially high returns. Cons: requires significant technological expertise and investment. Regulatory hurdles may exist. Bonus: actionable steps. Research bioprinting technology and regulations, collaborate with scientists and dermatologists, develop a clear business model. Number 3. Niche travel agency, adventures beyond the brochure. Who wants another boring beach vacation? Today's travelers crave experiences, journeys that touch soul. And that's where your niche travel agency comes in. Forget generic tours. Specialize in adventure, family trips, ecotourism, anything that lights your travel fire. Craft curated itineraries, find hidden gems, and become the local expert for your chosen niche. Think of the beaten path hikes, secret local festivals, family-friendly glamping adventures, and be the travel alchemist who turns dreams into unforgettable memories. Remember, you're not just selling destinations, you are weaving tales of discovery and fostering connections that last a lifetime. Now let's talk about these points' pros and cons also. Pros: cater to diverse preferences, personalized experiences can command premium prices, potential for growth with good marketing. Cons: competitive market, requires extensive knowledge for destinations and services, managing logistics can be complex. Actionable steps: identify niche markets or unique experiences, build partnerships with travel providers, invest in effective marketing and branding. Number 4. Upcycle furniture with augmented reality overlays. Design eco-friendly furniture pieces made from recycled materials but embedded with air technology. These pieces could project interactive displays, games, or even personalized stories, transforming furniture into multifunctional art installations.